Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Marsha Saninova and I'm from 4B class, and I want to retell the novel, and the title of the novel is Something to Tell You by Hanif Quraisy. In this novel, the characters are Jamal, his psychologist, and then Ajita, his first love, and then Jamal has best friends. Their name is Wolf and Valentine. And Jamal has a sister. Her name is Miriam. And as a psychologist, Jamal has a patient. His name is Henry. And Jamal has a wife. Her name is Josephine. And Mustaq is Ajita's brother. This story begins when Jamal in university. He's an uncommunicative person, and he has friends. They are Wolf and Valentine. One day in his class came to the new student. She is Ajita. Ajita is Indian, and Jamal is interested with her. Wolf and Valentine know that Jamal wants to close with her, and day by day they were to be friends. And Jamal and Ajita fall in love. Jamal loves Ajita very much. She is not his first girlfriend, but she is his first love. After a few days they date, Jamal came to Ajita's house, and in Ajita's house, Jamal met with Ajita's brother. He is Mustaq. And the conflict began when Jamal thinks that Ajita was unfaithful with him, and Ajita doesn't want to tell him. Then Ajita said to Jamal that she is unfaithful with him because her father made love with her, and he abused Ajita. Ajita was sad, but she can't do anything, and Jamal was angry when he know the fact. And Jamal plans to give a warning to Ajita's father, and Wolf and Valentine agreed to help him. In the night, they came to Ajita's house, and when Ajita and Mustaq are not at home, and Ajita's father came to the garage, and they have waited Ajita's father for a long time, and they beat Ajita's father in the garage. Suddenly, Jamal stabbed Ajita's father, and Wolf and Valentine were shocked because they didn't know that Jamal brought a knife, and they were afraid and they ran away. In the next day, Ajita and Mustaq know that her father was killed by someone, and they were sad. They didn't know the murder, and there is no evidence about the murder. And Wolf and Valentine ran away, and Jamal can't do anything. He cannot tell Ajita what he did, and Ajita went to India to funeral her father, but she never back to London again. He's lost contact with Ajita, and Jamal didn't know where Wolf and Valentine went to, and Jamal was regret about what he did, and but his life is still must go on. After a few years later, Jamal and his sister Miriam went to Pakistan to live with their father in there, but there is conflict between Miriam and their father in there, so they came back to London again. Then Jamal met Josephine in university. When Jamal taught in university, and Jamal was married with Josephine, and they have a son. His name is Rafi. And although Jamal has a wife, but he's still waiting Ajita after a few years, and Josephine know about it that Jamal is still loving his first love. And in his lucky day, Jamal met with Mustaq. Mustaq is an artist now, and Jamal asks about Ajita with him. And after a few days, Jamal met with Ajita again, he never thinks that he will meet Ajita again, and they talk to each other. Jamal was very happy because he didn't expect to meet Ajita again. Suddenly, Wolf returned to London and threatened that he wants to tell Ajita about the truth. Ajita and Wolf met again and they have an affair. Jamal can do anything. He's still loving Ajita, but he can force Ajita to return with him. And after a few days, Wolf was dead, and before he was dead, he told Ajita about the truth. And Ajita tells Jamal that she has known that what happened in the past, and Jamal was regret, and he wants Ajita forgive him, and Ajita forgive him, and she said that she wants to do the same thing. She wants to kill her father, but she can do because he's still his father, and they decided to be friends. And Jamal realized that he has still Josephine and Rafi in his life, so his life is still must go on, and he must forget about the past and learn something from the past. That's all from me. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.